right? They're only using apps. They don't need any of this stuff. They don't even need desktop for that matter. They're just going to go to the service. They're going to consume it, right? So one layer deeper than that would be someone who's building reports, not necessarily making semantic models. They're given a semantic model and they're just making their own report pages. Okay. They're going to probably use the service. Maybe they're going to use some Power BI desktop. They'll probably make some thin measures, very easy ones, albeit inside the thin report, but nothing too heavy. Maybe they're going to make some DAX inside a visual calculation, although I don't actually ever use that feature. I don't really see it valuable, but okay, some people will do it. Let's move further to the next persona, which is the data modeler. The data modeler is like a really good blend between someone who knows how to build reports and also knows how to build data engineering things. They need to be technical enough to write and read code, but they don't need to be. They need to also have an understanding of the business logic. How do I shape the data tables, right? So it's. I think the data modeler is a very senior business analyst, right? It's the one who's been doing it, like not a brand new one, not fresh out of college, right? They know what they're doing. They're more seasoned, and they're able to show up and really build that semantic model that makes sense, right? And then we start moving towards data engineer. And I would probably say from the data modeler, we talk data engineering, right? Okay, so you asked me, where do these tools fit? Where do these tools align? I think both Tyndall View and Tabular Editor 3 are sitting on that very technical end. It's the data engineer level person or the very advanced semantic model people. Those are the individuals that I think will be using these tools. So is one tool better than the other ones? Yeah, Tablet Editor I think has been around longer. It's got more development time on it, but also is more expensive, right? Again, why is Power BI so well adopted? Well, it was easy to land and spread in organizations because a lot of it was initially free. And then people started finding value from it, and then people started paying for it. So, I mean, I think if you compare the price point of like Tabular Editor and Tyndall, I mean, Tyndall's going to win every day. And so I'm okay not spending some extra time learning C# scripts if I can just take a little bit longer in a free tool that I can use and get around in. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I think, I don't know if that really answered your question, but I think these two tools address that really high end data modeler and data engineer. Those are the individuals that are going to be using these tools that are going to be building large, big semantic models.